damaged due to termite attack on wooden cabinets, moisture issues, and mainly due to low quality plywood used. Many recommended Venezia aluminium kitchen cabinets during house construction, but then I took the wrong decision of cheap quality plywood and now I am suffering.
Now renovated my kitchen with professional and good quality Venezia aluminum kitchen cabinets and wardrobes. No termites, no maintenance. This is really wonderful. I would recommend Venezia aluminum modular kitchen and wardrobes for your homes for good quality and professional low maintenance interiors.
Termite free, economical, colorful, low maintenance home interiors. Always the best option is Venezia aluminium interiors. Contact us now at
Dear Wells. Contact Venezia Interiors at 940-490-326. We provide services in Bangalore, Kerala and Mysore. Venezia Aluminium Kitchen വാർഡ്രോബുകൾ ഇപ്പോൾ കേരളത്തിലെ ഒഴിവാക്കാനാവാത്ത ഇന്റീരിയറുകളാണ്. മിക്ക വില്ലകളും ഫ്ലാറ്റുകളും ആർക്കിടെക്റ്റുകളും Venezia അലുമിനിയം ഇന്റീരിയറുകൾ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കും. Venezia provides end-to-end interiors like bedroom cupboards,